The 10th Annual Trends Report clearly demonstrates AI is transforming how we work. But readiness isn't just about technology. It's about people, collaboration, and culture. And it's not an easy fix. Organisations must identify bottlenecks and pain points and take real action, not just acknowledge them, to close the skill gaps. Training has to be elevated to a much higher level, because without it, returns on investment will be limited no matter how sophisticated the technology. Expectations must be reset to what's realistic in the near, medium and long term. And humans play an essential role in driving this forward. In the near term, assessing collaboration maturity and building clear frameworks for human-AI teamwork is critical. Remember, AI is your teammate, not your replacement. Following this, talent must move to the top of the agenda, personalising playbooks to accelerate adoption, while honest benchmarking ensures execution matches ambition. In the longer term, the goal is an AI-native culture, where human-machine collaboration is the default and continuous adaptation keeps us ahead of the curve. Workforce readiness means balancing tech with talent. The future of work isn't AI alone, it's humans and AI working better together.